Now, the UK government is grappling with a significant budget deficit, and new data reveals that borrowing has surpassed expectations, putting pressure on Chancellor Rachel Reeves to consider tax increases. With the national debt now at 100% of the GDP, we will break down what this means for you and the economy. The UK's deficit reached $85.4 billion between April and August, $8 billion higher than forecasts by the Office for Budget Responsibility. Now, in August, the deficit was $18 billion, $1 billion more than economists had anticipated. This comes after a $13 billion pay rise for public sector workers, highlighting the ongoing strain on public finances. The national debt now stands at 100% of the GDP, a level we haven't seen since 1961. If current trends continue, the Office for Budget Responsibility warns it could rise to an astonishing 274% by the mid-2070s. Consumer confidence is also taking a hit, with a recent survey showing the sharpest decline in sentiment in 2.5 years. Many are worried about potential tax increases and cuts to welfare that could impact their everyday lives. Looking ahead now, the UK population is expected to increase by over 13 million by 2070, predominantly among those aged 65 and older. This demographic shift will lead to skyrocketing health and pension costs. Public health spending alone is projected to nearly double to 14.5% of the GDP. As Chancellor prepares her budget for October 30th, she faces tough choices. With an economy that has struggled since the 2008 financial crisis, she may need to raise taxes and cut welfare to meet fiscal rules. However, there is a silver lining. The Office for Budget Responsibility suggests that improving productivity could dramatically lower the debt-to-GDP ratio. If productivity growth averages 2.5% instead of the 1.5%, national debt could fall to just 65% of the GDP by mid-2070s. The economic outlook is challenging, with difficult decisions ahead. For now, though, many are left wondering how these changes will impact their finances and the future of public services. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.